Comparing integers. To compare integers, plot points on the number line. The numbers farther to the right are greater. The numbers farther to the left are smaller. An integer can be equal to, less than, or greater than another integer. The symbols that we use are the equal sign, the less than sign, and the greater than sign. For example, 4 is equal to 4, 4 is less than 6, and 4 is greater than 2. When using the less than or greater than symbols, remember that the smaller side points at the smaller number, the number that is less. Place the number tiles in the correct places on the number line. All right, so -5 is the smallest number we have, so I'll start there. Then we add 1, get to -4, add another one, get to -3, add 1. By add 1, I mean move one place to the right on the number line. -2, -1, then we're at 0, the origin. Then we add 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, and 5. And here is the solution. The greater the absolute value of a negative integer, the lesser the integer. That's because it's farther from 0, but in the negative direction. So -4 is equal to -4. However, -4 is greater than -6. See how -4 is to the right on the number line? That means it's a bigger number than -6. And -2 is even larger, so -2 is greater than -4. Another term for absolute value is magnitude. The magnitude of a number is how far it is from 0 on the number line, without regard to whether it's positive or negative. For example, -25 is smaller than -10, but its magnitude and absolute value is greater. Magnitude, like distance, is always a positive number. One way to think of this is in terms of money. You'd rather have $20 than $10, but you'd rather owe someone $10 than $20. Owing money can be thought of as having a negative amount of money, since you need to get that much money back just to get to 0. Drag the appropriate inequality symbol between the pairs of integers. -3 is smaller than 5. It's to the left of 5 on the number line. 63 is greater than 36. -6 is smaller than -3. -24 is less than -17. 8 is greater than -8. -237 is greater than -259. The absolute value of this number is greater. 259 is greater than 237, but they're negative, which means this is more negative. It's a smaller number. -10 is greater than -15. 127 is less than 172. -8 is smaller than -2, and -10 is smaller than -7. Every time I go to do this, I just think which one's smaller, and then you put the pointy end at the smaller number. And here are all the answers. Any positive number is greater than 0 and is greater than any negative number. Any negative number is less than 0 and is less than any positive number.